Hiya munchkins. Hiya munchkins. Hiya munchkins. Hiya munchkins. I've been asked to do anything to do with a Volkswagen. So the only thing I can think of is a clock, a big clock with a Volkswagen. So we want to do a clock out of this. I got a big dent there, we've got to try and get it. 2 dents there, 3 dents there. Right, did that look like a clock? Right, that'll do for now, because what we'll actually do is cut it, and then if there's any dents left, it's just easier to do that one little dent rather than doing, but that's pretty good. So somehow we got a plasma, something like that. I want to keep them numbers on, because I like them numbers, they look like they're supposed to be there. With a Volkswagen sign. A Volkswagen sign, a Volkswagen. But my brain has stopped. Now I haven't got a clue what a Volkswagen sign looks like. Not a fucking clue. Phone. It's a cross in the middle, isn't it? It's a cross in the middle, another one there. Which joins up with that one there. So what about if we go like that? There's a cross actually dead middle. Phone. Where's the phone? Phone. Here's my yellow coat. Let's put my yellow back on. Right, Mr. Google. Right, let's find it in the middle first. Now, can I make a jig to cut that nice? That there would be pretty well good. First thing I gotta do is tuck the shirt in, because that is fucking cold on my belly. Right, I'm gonna drill an hole there and make a jig to do a round circle. Even though we're only going to go from here to there, from there to there, there to there, but it's gotta look round. And the clock is way there. Let's see if we can knock this jig up first. I made that sort of thing. Just a quick jiggy, which is a heart apparently. That goes in that hole, and then hopefully we can start, stop, all the way around. Fucking hurt that did. Right. I bent that leg down because it was rolling a bit, so you know, the only way you can do this is to try it. So we're going to go in there, from there to there. Now, it do not work unless you stick that other thing on there, Rob. Which is, follow the wire, which is there. Right. Wish me luck. So far, so fucking goody. I say try it. Looking perfect. You only get this deepest of throat, so we'll do it on my machine. Right, let's drill it over for the clock. That's it, this clock is going there obviously, and we'll put some LED lights behind it to brighten it up. There it is, there's a clock. I like bigger hands than that, but we couldn't get a clock, and now we ain't got a battery for that clock. But I wanted hands about this big, at least, just about sweeping the whole area. But you press a button by there, that light should come on. It's not going to exactly give you an eye, but it'll do. It's just a little backlight, you know. So, just a switch by there. That's it, thanks for watching. You've been great as always. And I'll see you in the summertime. There you go, comrades. A couple of hours work and you can end up with something probably better than that, because, you know, I don't praise my work. You've got to let other people do that. You're just a robot. When it weathers a bit, it'll work. Look, so it's actually a sort of 3D effecty. I'll do an update when it's hanging up on the wall somewhere. I've got the wall it's going to go on. Until the next time, well done. Shut that flicking noise off, will you? Right, bloody noisy, isn't it? That's my clock.